Okay, so we are back again. Now we are heading to Narkanda, and it just rained, so I'm not using mic, so there might be issues with audio issues. Yeah. Okay, so now we are heading to Narkanda. As I've told you before that I'm not using mic right now. Yeah, so as I've told you before, I'm not using the mic right now as the weather is bit of like rainy weather. It's a rainy weather, so yeah, it could rain anytime and I can't risk. But my phone is water resistant, so yeah, I'll be using my phone to navigate. This time Abhishek has been added to our group. What's up, bro? Hello. Yeah, so let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
तो हम अटक गए क्योंकि बस अटकी हुई है। निकल गई। कल हमारे साथ भी तो ऐसे ही हुआ था। हाँ, एक गाड़ी के अंदर ही मुश्किल। आराम से भाई, आगे ले। सिग्नल का वेट कर, वेट फॉर सिग्नल। फाइनली लेफ्ट की तरफ लेने दे इसको। हाँ बता भाई, क्या सीन है फिर? क्या सीन है? सीन है बोलना साथ ये सारे आगे। Okay, so the weather is not rainy anymore and the clouds appeared and everything looks fine. So I put my bike back on. कर ले भाई, जा। यही है वो लड़का पेशाब कर रहा है। ऑन है। कर ले भाई। मत भाई। हाँ मैं भी करता हूँ तेरे साथ। वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे तू, मैं मारूंगा, बता रहा हूँ। हाँ करता हूँ मैं भी। अपना ही करेगा। चल Okay, so we took a little halt while riding, and Praveen and Punish went ahead. Behind me are Abhishek and Ayush, A square. As I am riding slow because safety first. And overtake कर गया.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
क्या वेदर है यार, यहाँ का वेदर हमको अच्छा लग रहा है. नारकंडा इज गुड, गुड.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
So Narkanda is now 24 kilometers away, and we have done around 400 kilometers from Shimla, from Delhi. Yeah. Our average speed is around 60, 50, 40. Yeah. Speed goes up and down because you see curves, hills, etc. Yeah.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
The view is killing me, like seriously. क्या हुआ? फोटोज लेनी है?
देख रहा नेट?
हाँ, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई.
कहीं ऐसी जगह रुक रही है
जहाँ से व्यू आ रहा हो. हाँ, यहाँ पर. हाँ.
आराम से चलते हैं. तेरे को मैं फॉलो करूँगा, तू चल.
चल ठीक है. Okay, so we took a halt to click some pictures. Yeah, and now we'll just head straight to where are we heading? Yeah, Narkanda, unless we find anything interesting to click or shoot. So yeah, all set. So far so good. And the map says it will take 24 minutes and it's 40 kilometers away. What the fuck, man? No, it's good. See the view, the weather is amazing. Amazingly good. Good for everyone. Was it? The dogs are on the roads. We need to be careful of them.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Okay, so we took another short break and now we are heading to Narkanda only. We clicked some pictures, some good pictures. We'll be uploading them on Insta link, you know already. You guys already do know that.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So Nandi, Nandi कह रहा हूँ, बैंगलोर नहीं उतरा, आयुष मेरे साथ वेट कर रहा है ना. Okay, so Narkanda is now 3.3 kilometers, 3 kilometers to be exact, away. We're almost there, 7 minutes by maps. Yeah, so let's get going. Okay guys, so we did stop to take the pictures of this beautiful view, and once again I am running low on my battery. So yep, but we are almost at Narkanda, so it hardly matters. Only 1 kilometer. Ayush is ahead of me now. To make sure that I don't stop again to click some pictures. Oh shit. The road is bumpy. कहाँ है हम? Narkanda, yes. Quite chilly, I must say. This is the bus stand. Okay, the map shows there's a U-turn, and I'm looking for that U-turn. Yeah, found it. Yes, so we have reached Narkanda now. Now we will be looking for a camp to stay. Okay guys, so we have decided to stay in camps, so we are heading to the camps, and it's 8 kilometers backwards from where we came. Yeah, everyone is left. Ayush is waiting for me to come. But I am such a lazy guy. Okay, so there we go. I need to take the U-turn first. आ जाओ भैया, चले. वाओ भाई, we have to go to that place, same place again where we went, which means a U-turn. See the signboards. See the signboards. Ride me and the signboards. I don't remember seeing any camps behind, but let's see. We are going backwards, and the wind is amazing. Weather is amazing. Oh my god, look at the view. Shit. Okay, so my GoPro battery is almost dead, but the view is amazing. So yeah, we'll vlog while after I reach there. We'll record some videos from my phone and the camp. Oh sorry, and my DSLR. So yeah.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Fuck. Shit. Slip मारा. रोक ले. बच गया भाई. मिट्टी से स्लिप मारी अभी. हाँ
अभी पिछले टाइम पे
हाँ
थी ना, मैं भी स्लिप हो गया।
मेरा बस पैर लगा ही नीचे भाई.
मैंने पैर नहीं लगाया,
मेरा पैर लग गया नीचे तभी बच गया.
मैंने फ्लो कर लिया था।
अच्छा चल चलते हैं. मैं आगे चलूँ.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
गूगल वाली पिक्स है ना, वो यहाँ से 10 मिनट की ट्रैकिंग पे है और उसके 2 टेंट के 4000 हैं। मेरे को ऐसा बाइक करना है।
तो हम पहाड़ चढ़ने की तैयारी में कर रहे हैं. चलो बाइकें लगाई है हमने नीचे. टेक मारेंगे, लड़कियां ताड़ेंगे.
यहाँ नहीं है लड़कियाँ। दिस प्लेस गॉट नो चेक्स।
और दिस शिट.
मेरे जेब में देख पीछे क्या कुछ हुआ है। यहाँ क्यों नहीं
चलो चला जाए ऊपर.